Hi, this is Jan. I have taken on the possible responsibility to try to spread the words about God's love. I did that already back in 2016 to 18 on Facebook, and now I've taken on to do that also on YouTube. And this is on my YouTube channel, New One Way. Today, what I want to share is actually about you can say, the prayers that we might need and want to share to God and to ask God for our participation in. And honestly, I was not a big prayer person in my life. That has happened, I would say, the last 20 years. And it means that as I was getting into this, more and more opened up for me to truly believe that God is in me and God is taking care of us and God is protecting us. That's maybe difficult for people to recognize and to understand, and that's why I was creating recently a prayer related to devotion to God. Because honestly, I believe, from my own experience, that without God in me, as I see it now, and as it had been constructed, I would say, in my heart, life would not be life in the way that I would be happy with it. My struggle in life has been a lot, and it was actually not until around 20 years ago that things started to happen that opened me up to the spiritual way instead of the, let's call it the formal, normal, getting a lot of stuff way, and open up to who is God, what is Jesus, what is Allah, what is all these different messengers that we have had, and of course also Muhammad and Buddha and so on. And the change was probably seriously in 2006 to 8, where my journey to Bali was opening me up to something that I had never experienced before. And I think that's part of what God is for us. It's like He's opening us when we are ready to worship not only Him, but just worship the power of God's love and the power that is around us in the universe, actually. So today what I'm doing is actually just giving you a short introduction like this, and then in the text below on the description, I will share with you the devotion prayer that I have made. And I will try to do that daily, or at least second daily, depending on the program that I have, but I will try to be very honorable to God and fulfill His wishes about how to share what we as people can experience when we have a trust in Him, when we have a truth about Him inside ourselves. Like it says in many scriptures, is that to find ourselves, we have to find God also, or on the way, we will find God. But it's in different forms, and of course, different religions in different ways, and that's just okay. It's just the point is that if we start to walk with God in our heart, everything becomes easier. I'm not saying easier that we never have any trouble, that we never have any things we need to do to be able to become better. But in general, it's about feeling a peace inside that what we are here for is actually for God and for the universe to expand into what it's supposed to be. And at the end of the day, we are all one. and God is part of that. I say one in this way, but one is also for me God itself. I hope this has helped a little to open up, and I will share this, like I said, every day or every second day. Different stories, different perspectives of my journey, and why I truly believe that to have God in you, to have God with you, is a benefit that everyone here on this earth should actually try to benefit from. This was from me, and my name was Jan Fredriksen, and I have the channel New One Way in YouTube. Thank you. See you tomorrow.